is his name, and his age is 6.
Oh.
6 years old. I understand in Tibet and Nepal, yak means male,
Yeah.
and Dri is
Female. Yeah.
So I only technically have one yak.
Yak.
In America, all of these are yak,
Yeah.
and we separate them by cows are the females, bulls or steers are the males.
Okay.
Okay, yaks. When the history of yak in the United States? Excellent question. Yak in the United States has only happened since the mid-1980s. They've only been in the United States for about 40 years. All of the yak in America, or in the United States, have come from Canada. Only that border the United States will allow yak from Canada. They will not allow us at this point to get yak from India or Tibet or Nepal, which is very unfortunate. I wish we could. Maybe I need to work on that.
So the Canada will have yak from big.
So Canada got yak from India or maybe from Europe, but Canada did, yes. So,
And so he was born in Canada?
no.
He was raised in Nebraska.
He's raised in Nebraska.
Raised,
So
okay.
all of the yak in the United States can be traced back to that initial herd that came down from Canada.
Oh.
It was a farm, ranch in Montana that bought the initial yak herd back in mid-1980s.
Okay.